Now take a look at all the COVID-19 updates from India.
Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has tested positive for the novel coronavirus. News of Shivraj Singh Chauhan testing positive comes 2 days after a meeting in his cabinet. Arvind Singh Bhadoria said he was infected. Meanwhile, the Chief Minister reassured supporters that there was no need to panic, and despite his medical condition, he would continue to lead efforts to contain the virus in his state. A 7-day total lockdown from July 25th to 31st has been announced in Nagaland's capital city of Kohima, and an 8-day partial lockdown from July 26th to August 2nd in Dimapur district, which is the state's commercial hub. Nagaland government has exempted the Department of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services and staff of Guwahati High Court, Kohima bench from total lockdown. Janata curfew will be imposed in Nagpur district of Maharashtra in wake of the rising number of coronavirus cases. The curfew will be imposed for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Amid the 55 hours lockdown in Uttar Pradesh, people were seen following the guidelines issued by the government in Varanasi. During this, essential and emergency services, including health-related services, continued. People celebrated the festival of Nag Panchami inside their homes. In Kerala, state government has announced that there will not be another complete lockdown in the state. The Chief Minister met the opposition party leaders to discuss the COVID-19 situation in the state. Government also imposed a curfew in Ernakulam's Aluva region. The Chief Minister said an action plan has been devised to tackle super spread of the virus by adopting a cluster-based approach. Triple lockdown will continue till July 28th. A strict lockdown in the Kashmir Valley entered the 3rd day due to worsening COVID-19 situation. Authorities imposed strict restrictions in Kashmir for 6 days. No movement of people except medical emergencies and essential services was allowed, with most of the roads barricaded by the police in Srinagar city. A comprehensive town-wide lockdown will be imposed in Kalimpong municipality for 7 days, starting 9 a.m. Sunday to curb the spread of COVID-19. All officials, private and government, except those providing essential services, health services, law and order, disaster management, electricity, will remain shut. The Rajasthan government is now planning to start the state's first plasma bank in Jaipur for those infected in the high contagious coronavirus disease. State Health Minister Raghu Sharma said that the bank will be set up at Savai Man Singh Hospital in the city. In a unique effort, researchers at IIT Kharagpur have innovated a novel portable rapid diagnostic device to detect COVID-19 infection. It can test samples of COVID-19 infection within an hour for ₹400 only. The new device has been designated to be usable at remote locations with extremely poor resources with solar power and battery. Moreover, it can be operated by people who have almost no training.